Hi, I'm Vanessa and I'm a Hobbycraft artisan. As well as working for Hobbycraft, I'm a jewellery maker and general craft addict. I also run my own jewellery making business. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make 2 different pairs of tassel earrings. These look great worn in the summer and for going out. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and click on the bell icon to be notified of future videos. You will need round nose pliers, flat nose pliers, embroidery scissors, ear wires, embroidery threads, 7 to 8 mm jump rings, metal hoops, eye pins, 2 times large beads, and wire cutters. Take a piece of card measuring 3 to 4 inches. You can make this larger or smaller depending on what size you want your finished tassels to be. Wrap your chosen colour of embroidery thread around your card template. Between 20 to 30 wraps should give you a nice sized tassel, but you can do more if you want it thicker and less if you want it thinner. Using your flat nose pliers, open one of your jump rings. Thread it through the back of the embroidery thread on the front of the cardboard template and close the jump ring. Slide the jump ring to the top of the card. Using the embroidery scissors, cut all of the threads at the bottom of the template. Cut and wrap another piece of thread around the tassel near the top. Tie it in a knot and wrap the thread around a few more times, and then tie another knot to secure this thread. Open the small hoop on one of the eye pins and thread through the jump ring attached to the tassel. Close the loop. Thread on one of the large beads. Bend the remaining eye pin wire at a 90-degree angle on top of the bead. Cut the wire using the wire cutters, leaving about 1 centimetre. Using the round nose pliers, bend this into a hoop and attach onto an ear wire. Trim the ends of the tassel to finish it off. Repeat all of these steps again and create your second earring. And now you will have a cute and fun pair of summery tassel earrings. Take a piece of card 2 inches wide. Wrap your chosen embroidery thread around the card twice and cut the threads at the bottom. You should have 2 pieces of cut thread. Wrap these threads around the wire of your metal hoop in a lark's head knot and pull them tight. Repeat 9 more times to build the small tassels around the hoop. Once you have 10 small tassels, you can now trim the ends with your embroidery scissors to make them all the same size. Using a pair of pliers, open the hoop on one of the ear wires and thread through the top loop on the metal ring. Close the loop on the ear wire. Repeat all of the previous steps again to create your second earring. I hope you've all enjoyed this video and I can't wait to see what you all create.